Let's talk about the woman.
Woman? Ben, did you see that?
See what?
A woman. What are you doing here?
It's good to see you too.
I'm sorry, I'm confused. You are...
An old friend.
Do you know her?
No, we haven't been formally introduced. We've never met before, right?
Ilsa Faust. You're Ethan Hunt.
This woman, he knows her. He trusts her.
You okay? You okay?
You've never looked better.
Don't. Please don't make me laugh.
Shoes?
Nice shoes, by the way. That is yours.
Shoes, please.
You're free now. What are you doing?
You better hurry now. You better hurry now. Good luck.
Good luck. I have a way out. Interested?
Lead the way.
I'm not going to apologize to you, hon. It's my job to use you.
They don't care if you live or die. You're okay. I've saved your life twice. I won't be able to do it again.
But that's the pattern, isn't it? You get her out of trouble, and she always found her way back in. One way or another, this mission of yours is gonna cost you dearly.
She had the chance to kill you, but she didn't. Why?
We have a past. It's complicated.
This is how I come home.
But you are out. You are free.
We are never free.
I have to say, you sure can ride.
Ethan.
You're just doing your job. Yes, I never.
I know you have your reasons. I know.
So where does that leave us?
Please don't make me go through you. You don't understand what you're involved in.
I can't help you.
Come away with me. Right now. Ethan. We can be anyone. We can do anything. It's only a matter of going.
You should have stayed out of the game.
You should have come with me.
He's a good man. And he cares about you more than he can admit.
It's all we know. All we know. The hurricane.
If you care about him, you should walk away.
What do you think you're doing?
I'm going with you.
Like hell you are. You need to walk away.
I can't do that. I'm coming with you.
I know.
It's all we know. All we know. The hurricane.
The end you always feared is coming.
Falling slow.
And the blood will be on your hands. The fallout of all your good intentions.
Watch it go. Watch it go. We stay the same.
Listen to me! You're dead! You stay dead!
Ethan, wait!
I don't know.
None of our lives can matter more than this mission.
I don't accept that.
Watch it go. Watch it go. We stay the same.
I know what matters most to you, Ethan.
The key will be mine, but only after someone you care about dies.
Who is the most important to you?
I don't know how it can change.
Your life will always matter more to me than my own.
It's all we know, all we know.
I swear.
The